I just got this today. This is a little hair trimmer, but it has a lot of features on it, including its own bag. I mean, I was very thrilled just to get the bag itself. You know, it just looks very comfortable. And look at this. This is perfect. It comes with a beard trimmer, right? If you guys never seen this, this is a beard trimmer to shorten out the hair. More trimming material, small clippers, all right? Longer clippers. I like that. And this is a shaver. I like this. Oh man, I'm excited to use this, a nose trimmer. All right. Now they do have clips, and this is rechargeable. It's Type C, chargeable station. Let's put it in use. This enough talking. Let's put it in use. Hold it down. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Look at that. Tells you the battery life. Turned off. Turn it on. Ooh, look at this. Is the Night Rider. Look at that. The Night Rider right there. If you guys see that. This is awesome. I like that. Now, let me see how to remove the clips. All right. I'm going to show you how to remove the clips. It's super hard, all right? All you got to do is just pull it. That's all you got to do. Nothing hard about it. So it's a triangle. You see that? All you got to do is marry these two together, and that's it. There's a magnet in there, too. All right. One of the great things I found out about this, in case you keep hitting it by accident, you hold down the button, it unlocks it, and it locks it, right? So right now it's unlocking it. But if you ever want to change out the heads, or maybe it keeps turning on, you could always hit that lock button. And look at this. You can't do anything without, and if you hit it by accident, look at that. It won't turn on no more. I didn't know about this. Look at this. I didn't know about this. This actually makes it a lot easier, less messier. So my wife won't kill me. So this is a plus. This is a plus. I like that. So let's go ahead and continue. Now we're gonna go ahead and start with the actual removing the actual system first. We're gonna do the nose trimmer first. I always start with the nose trimmer. You can hear that noise. It's working. The beard, I use the longer version, all right? The longer clips, all right? Let me show you how strong it is. Look at that. Ooh, this thing's... Let me do half of the face so you guys can see the... Look at that. Now, get rid of the hair. The excessive hair. Look at that. Ooh-wee. You guys see that, huh? I'm using it for the hard to reach places. Alright, just to finish it off, I'm going to do the line here. Not bad. Even shave down here. We're going to shave a little bit more. Alright, just to check it out. Cuts very well. I don't have a long beard, but let's see how this thing works. So you just brush it. It lasts a long time. I like the little lighting itself. Tells you how much charge it is. There's only one speed on this one. The best thing about it is all the accessories and the extra accessory that had the actual system to where you cover yourself so you don't have to make a mess. That was a big plus. So if you're looking out for your boyfriend or your husband or friend or someone to give as a gift, this is perfect. That's only if they have a beard and hair. So works for both. I mean, I'm a bald guy. I'm always shaving myself and trimming down. I'm still going to trim myself right now, but this is a plus for traveling. It's compact. It's a little heavier, but it's perfect for the handle. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.